Hi, I'm Maciej from Flapper Drones. Last month, you could see lights in the night sky above Rotterdam swarming like a flock of birds. This was a drone show. 300 drones painting images in the air using onboard lights. Drone performances create an amazing atmosphere as long as the drones stay away from people. Otherwise, due to their propellers and the buzzing sound, the drones can be perceived as unsafe and annoying, especially indoors. It is harder to relate to these drones on an emotional level. With flapper drones, you don't get these problems. Our flying robots fly by flapping their wings, just like hummingbirds and insects. They produce natural, flapping sound and are lightweight with soft wings. This makes them safe and allows flying near people. They can be dressed like characters that people can connect with and remain visually attractive, no matter the distance or whether it is day or night. Backed by 2 patents and over 10 years of research, we have the most advanced animal-like drones on the market. They can be operated safely near people who love them due to their natural form. In partnership with drone show operators and theme parks, we are developing a new type of drone experience suitable for indoor spaces. Imagine being surrounded by flying fairies the next time you visit a theme park like the Efteling, or a flock of robotic hummingbirds that responds to music during concerts. We are looking for business and creative partners who believe our drones can provide an unforgettable and magical experience to millions of viewers. Become our partner and let's revolutionize the idea of drones together. Thank you.